Imagine waking up one morning and checking your bank account. Not because you were scared, not because your salary is late, not because your EMI is due, but simply because you want to. Now imagine seeing $20,000 sitting there. For some people, that amount may not sound life-changing. Millionaires online may laugh at it. Finance influencers may call it small money. But for most ordinary people, $20,000 changes everything. Because the first $20,000 is not just money. It is proof. Proof that you can save, you can delay pleasure, you can control your impulses, you can think long-term, you can build instead of just survive. And the craziest part? Your life doesn't change because of the amount itself. Your life changes because you change while trying to reach it. Today, we're going to talk about why everything changes even more after $20,000. Not just financially, mentally, emotionally, socially, and psychologically. Because once you cross this invisible line, you stop thinking like a broke person, and that changes your entire future. Before most people reach $20,000, they live in survival mode. Every month feels like a race. Salary comes in, bills go out, stress comes back. It becomes an endless cycle. Work, spend, repeat. And when you live like this for years, your brain changes. You stop planning long-term. You stop dreaming big. You stop taking risks. Because survival mode teaches you one dangerous thing. Play safe. That's why many talented people never build wealth. Not because they are lazy, not because they are stupid, but because fear controls every decision. When your bank balance is low, even small problems feel massive. A medical emergency becomes terrifying. Losing a job feels like the end. Unexpected expenses destroy your peace. Your brain stays trapped in scarcity. Scarcity changes how humans think. Studies show that when people constantly worry about money, their mental bandwidth drops. Decision-making becomes weaker. Stress increases. Productivity falls. You may work hard, but mentally, you are exhausted. That's why reaching your first $20,000 matters so much. Because for the first time in your life, you finally breathe. Not fully, but enough to think clearly. And clarity changes everything. The weird thing about money is this. The first few $1,000s feel impossible. But once you hit a major milestone like $20,000, your brain starts believing, maybe I can actually build wealth. That belief is priceless. Because before this moment, money feels mysterious. You think rich people are different, luckier, smarter, connected. But after building your first serious savings, you realize something important. Wealth is often less about intelligence and more about behavior. Small habits repeated consistently, saving regularly, avoiding useless spending, investing patiently, increasing income, controlling emotions. That's when your identity changes. You stop seeing yourself as someone struggling. You start seeing yourself as someone building. An identity is powerful because humans act according to who they believe they are. A person who thinks, I'm always broke, will subconsciously make broke decisions. But a person who thinks, I'm financially disciplined, starts acting differently. They spend more carefully, think long-term, avoid emotional purchases, learn investing, focus on assets instead of appearances, and slowly, their entire future changes. One of the biggest psychological changes after $20,000 is this. You stop caring so much about looking rich. Because people who are financially insecure often try to look successful. They buy expensive phones, branded clothes, fancy bikes, luxury dinners, status symbols, not because they truly need them, but because they want validation. They want society to think, I made it. But here's the irony. The more financially stable you become, the less you feel the need to prove yourself. Because real confidence is quiet. Once you have savings, you stop chasing attention. You start chasing freedom. Freedom to say no, leave toxic jobs, avoid desperate decisions, take smarter risks, sleep peacefully. That's when money becomes emotional security. And emotional security is more valuable than luxury. Many people spend years buying things to impress strangers. But wealthy-minded people eventually realize peace feels better than attention. Before savings, work feels like survival. You work because you have to. But after building financial reserves, your relationship with work changes. You stop tolerating nonsense. You become less desperate. And desperation is dangerous. Desperate people accept toxic environments, stay underpaid, fear negotiation, avoid opportunities, remain trapped. But savings create options, and options create power. For example, you can take time to learn new skills. You can switch careers. You can start a business. You can reject exploitation. You can think strategically instead of emotionally. This is why many successful entrepreneurs say, the runway matters. Runway means having enough money to survive while building something bigger. Without runway, dreams die quickly. But once you cross $20,000, you finally have breathing space. That breathing space can completely change your life trajectory. Poor thinking is often short-term thinking. Not because poor people are unintelligent, but because survival forces people to focus on today. When money is tight, tomorrow feels uncertain. Long-term plans feel risky. Investing feel impossible. But after building meaningful savings, your brain shifts timelines. You stop asking, what can I buy today? And start asking, what can I build over 10 years? That is one of the most powerful financial transitions in life. Because wealth is built slowly, not through viral success, not through lottery luck, not through shortcuts, but through long-term consistency. This is where compounding becomes magical. At first, growth feels tiny, almost invisible. But over years, small disciplined actions become massive results. That's why people who cross financial milestones often become calmer, because they finally understand. Time is more important than intensity. You do not need to become rich overnight. You need to stay consistent long enough. This part is uncomfortable, but it happens to many people. Once your financial mindset changes, your social circle often changes too. Because conversations begin feeling different. Some people only discuss gossip, drama, consumption, complaints, while you start thinking about investing, growth, business, skills, freedom, and slowly, you realize environment matters. Humans copy the behavior around them. If everyone around you spends recklessly, financial discipline becomes difficult. If everyone around you thinks long-term, you naturally improve. That's why successful people protect their environment carefully. Not out of arrogance, but because influence is powerful. Your future is often hidden inside your daily conversations. At first, people chase money to buy things. But eventually, they realize money buys something deeper. Control. Control over time, choices, stress, lifestyle, opportunities. When you have zero savings, life controls you. But when you build financial stability, you regain control. You can take breaks, help family, handle emergencies, invest in yourself, think clearly. And this is why the first serious savings milestone feels emotional. Because it represents safety. For many people, this is the first time they feel truly secure. Not rich, just secure. And honestly, security is underrated. The internet glorifies luxury. But deep down, most people simply want peace. So why does everything change after $20,000? Because the money changes your psychology. You stop thinking like someone trapped. You start thinking like someone capable. And once your mindset changes, your decisions change. Then, your habits change. Your opportunities change. Your relationships change. Your confidence changes. Your future changes. The first $20,000 is not the finish line. It is the beginning. It is proof that you can build momentum. And momentum is incredibly powerful. Remember this. Most people are not destroyed by lack of talent. They're destroyed by lack of patience. We live in a world addicted to instant results. But real wealth is quiet, slow, boring, consistent. And that is exactly why so few people achieve it. If you're still on your journey toward your first $20,000, keep going. Do not underestimate what that milestone can do for your mind, because one day you will look back and realize the money was never the biggest reward. The person you became while earning it was. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content on money, mindset, financial freedom, and self-growth. And remember, small disciplined actions today can completely transform your future tomorrow.